Introducing the impressive 2020 Seat Leon 1.5 TSI 150B XCELLENCE Automatic. With a stunning blue exterior and loaded with luxurious features, this vehicle is sure to turn heads. From the advanced safety features like collision avoidance, braking to the comfort amenities like ambient lighting and Bluetooth connectivity, this car has it all. Plus, with only 4,640 kilometres on the clock and registered new in 2020, you can trust in its reliability. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us today or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information on how you can make this fantastic Seat Leon yours.